You need a logo, or you want to create a logo but don't know how to use Illustrator or Photoshop, or you don't have any access to your computer or laptop. So don't worry, I'm here to help you guys. Hello everyone, welcome to TrendTales. I will teach you guys how to make a stylish logo just from your phone. First of all, you guys need to download an application called Canva, C-A-N-V-A. Just download this app. After downloading the app, open the app. Then you will see this kind of interface. First thing I want to tell you guys that this application is internet based. It means you need to have an internet connection on SIM or just connect it to a Wi-Fi to download your logo designs, because the design format is .png. Here you can see multiple options like Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, logo, posters, invitation, flyer, cards, Facebook cover, Snapchat geo filter, and many more. But for the time being, our concern is with the logo. Here you can see the different categories of logo: art design, food rings, sports, game recreation, fashion, beauty, band, computer, education, restaurant, cafe, DJ, football, basketball, law, home furnishing, and automotive. But you are not bound to use category according to your niche. For example, your channel niche is based on an art, but you don't find an attractive design in the art category. So don't worry, you can choose design from whatever category you want. If you find it difficult to open different categories to choose a logo, then you just simply tap on see all right here. See, a very vast variety of theme is appeared in front of you. Let's just quickly select a theme and start making a logo. You just need to simply tap on the text and then enter whatever your channel name is. Like my channel name is TrendTales. Like this is a very messy kind of text, so don't worry, you can change from here like this. You can add font TrendTales like this, or you can drag the image, or you can resize. You can change the color of the image also, and also you can modify a little bit if you want. After completing design, let's suppose this is our final design, so you want to save, so you have to tap on that blue icon. It's a share icon. Tap on this and then tap on save image, save as image. So guys, here you can see that your logo is created and how it's easy to make a logo just from your phone. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.